If you need to block someone on Remitly, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your transactions are safe. Here is how to do it quickly. Step 1. Open the Remitly app. Launch the Remitly app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the blocked users section. Look for a section labeled blocked users or managed contacts. This is where you can see the list of users you have blocked or choose to block new ones. Step 4. Add the user to block. Select the option to block a new user. You may need to enter the user's details, such as their email address or phone number, to identify them correctly. Step 5. Confirm the block. After entering the necessary information, confirm your choice to block the user. You should receive a notification or message confirming that the user has been successfully blocked. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Remitly and maintain control over your transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Remitly's customer support for assistance.